my name is Lewis, and I'm actually here with my friends.
Daniel and Michael. Twins! Okay, so, first it is me and Michael playing, and this is our first time on the computer. Yeah, because we only play at the Xbox here. Ooh, pumpkins. Don't mind if I pick
And we have
you.
Minecraft at our house and play on the Xbox.
Just so we're saying, this is not a survival test or anything.
Yeah, because, like, yeah.
Yeah, this
Ooh,
is
a
just
pumpkin.
gonna be
Yeah.
Our first time.
episode in this series.
Come on, get some pumpkins, Michael.
I know.
Look at all the trees. You can make a pumpkin tree house. How about that? How about we make a tree house?
No, we don't have. Okay, so guys.
Look at the cow.
Yeah, I would say try to
Look
get
at the canyon.
Oh, I'm gonna try to find some pillagers.
Oh, look at it going
Wait,
down.
go get some wood. Go get some wood. Turn to
The
left.
pillager. The
I
pillager.
think there's
Is
turn
that
to
a...
the
Oh,
left
that's a
little bit.
whole stack of
I'm gonna
wood.
go get some wood. Yeah, so guys, we are gonna get some wood in Minecraft.
Go in there. Go in there. I've
Where?
never been.
No.
No, get wood and then you can go in.
Oh
Yeah.
my, this is not a wood place. So
This is just...
Just chop some wood there.
Okay.
Michael.
so
Chop the wood. It's oak. Make a crafting table, yeah. We gotta make a crafting table.
No, crafting tables don't. Well, guys, people like. Okay, so what is it?
Oh,
Oh, okay. Okay.
pretty good for you.
I know I can make a crafting thing. Okay, and there's a bunch of cows, and I don't want to kill it because
Why do you have to break it?
Yeah, we'll get like.
Okay,
Okay,
let
go
me
down
find the
there.
pillager place. Wait, I'm gonna find.
Hey, no,
go
get
to
some. How about you get some more wood? Get some more wood.
No, I'm not
How do
gonna
you
get.
sprint? How do you sprint? Yeah, go
Just
for
one
it.
time.
You just played W 2 times.
Yeah.
I'm not
Be
gonna.
good with it because your water will slowly go down.
Okay, get some sugar cane. You can make a, you know.
No, cause. So like
We're gonna make a. Should we make an enchanting table?
Yeah. Okay, I'm making.
That'll
You
be
need-
a while.
You need diamonds. Go swim. You just do double.
We'll need 5 diamonds to make it.
Oh, you're gonna drown.
How do
No.
I get up?
Go?
I can't get up.
Jump.
Okay.
Okay, go to the
Wait,
other
this
side.
is how you
swim.
jump. Ah, pumpkins!
Swim.
Okay.
Oh, you got your pumpkins.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Oh. Wait, guys. Okay,
Kids.
I sorry. Sorry.
it's just Michael. Don't drop. What are those gray trees?
I'm gonna go find some.
You should make like an secret underground thing.
I'm gonna find some diamonds, but I don't.
Michael, make a secret underground thing.
Mom?
No, because then some things could. Okay, Daniel, this is YouTube. Wait. Okay, so ooh, I found some pigs.
Pig fun.
Okay.
Go
so-
get some more wood.
Go
Okay.
to the pig and say joke. That's not wood, but I guess. I mean, it is a type of wood, but why is it doing that?
It's just glitching.
Okay, I got some wood. I know that.
I don't care about recipes. I hate
Okay.
glitchy. Okay, now look up
And
and
get to the west.
I know. Okay, guys, you don't need to tell me what to do. I'm just not gonna get wood, okay, guys? We're gonna go in the jungle.
There. That's not the jungle.
maybe.
Whatever it is. I'm gonna go. Uh-oh.
Maybe. Yeah, you could get up here. Just get seeds.
I don't know how.
That's like a forest, isn't it?
Yeah.
And
I-
look, Michael, go in there.
Mom, we just went spend 5 minutes.
Michael, go over there. Go over there. There's a there could be the sandcastle thing.
By now, probably say like 2 minutes.
No, well, we're not doing.
Oh. Yeah, 10 more seconds and then 5 minutes.
Okay, so
then it's
try to
Daniel's
get
turn,
some
then
more.
Lewis's turn. Okay.
And 3, 2. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, Daniel, go
Okay,
find
so-
some seeds. And Daniel,
Oh.
there's not gonna be that same castle thing. And we gotta go before dark. Daniel, Daniel, plus
I'm
just
going that way. I'm
You're
going
going-
sideways.
There's a bee! There's a bee! Go follow it! Daniel!
I'm going.
Where's the bee?
Oh, well, I lost part of my health. That doesn't matter. Where's the bee?
You have to
Dude,
get
we
out.
found a bee.
Okay,
I've
so-
never seen a bee.
I have.
Oh,
yes!
Kill it.
Don't
it.
kill it.
No,
It's
it will poison you.
Oh no.
Look at that. There's another one. Is that an angry bee?
Oh.
No.
Where's the angry bee?
It's in there. Wait. Okay, we might have found it. Okay, let's just move on before that bee poisons us.
Where is?
Oh, I found another bee.
Where?
Look, go.
He's right there.
There's another bee.
I've never.
There's a
He
bee
won't
right there.
poison you unless
The bee thingy over there.
Guys, this is.
Go, Daniel, go to it. It can give us gold stuff.
Go.
Daniel, just
Double A.
Double A?
no
Double the.
double W.
Just don't fall that pit.
Don't fall in that pit, Daniel. Lewis, let him do it.
No, don't worry. You
Go. Just go. Daniel, that's you're hitting things. Go the bee. Oh my.
Just.
Wait, stay there. Like, go forward.
Oh no,
Forward.
there's lava.
Where's the?
Just get the
Get the
chest.
chest.
I just gotta jump.
Jump. You're in lava.
I hate lava. Is it a trap?
No.
We found some good stuff, yo.
Daniel.
We found a golden axe. And. Dude, now wonder there's a lot of. Let's not take the other pickaxe.
No,
let's
we
take
have
it.
to.
The golden apple.
We need a
that.
golden apple.
Yeah, that.
We'll just put that in
Wait,
our
Let's put the
inventory.
flint and steel in
In
our
our-
inventory.
Yeah.
Because we don't. What would we need flint and steel for? Is there any more?
Okay. That was. Wait.
Let's see.
The
Well,
bee
Lewis,
thing.
don't. I can do it. I can do it.
I found
No,
the bee
let's get
thing.
that pick.
No, he already has the pick. Oh, you
Yeah.
just dropped the pick, Daniel.
Where?
It might have gone in the fire.
Yeah,
I think it
got
did. I'm not risking it. Look, there's an ocean over there. I'm gonna see.
Oh, there's a horse. There's a horse.
I'm not gonna. I don't have a saddle, and I don't want to make
Did-
one.
Daniel's bowling right, Lewis.
I'm gonna go over there to that sand place
Wait,
and see
look,
if I can
guys.
run a sand
It says
castle.
there's no volume.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to run a castle. Hey,
No, you don't need to do that. It's just
There's
a
a
fish.
fish.
You're playing with
do
them.
fish hurt you?
No.
Oh wait, I don't get it. How's it?
Oh,
not
I
night?
dropped her.
How's it not night yet?
I'm gonna be spending it in night,
Yeah, Lewis
which
is
will be great.
lucky. But how do we know if it's been 5 minutes? Oh, 2 more minutes. What was that? You have 2 more minutes, Daniel. Okay, so
And then I'll find it.
I wanna find one of those sand things. Dude,
Daniel, there's not gonna be one of those.
There could.
No, well, there's not going to.
Whoa. I'm gonna go in
Daniel,
there.
don't. There might be a squid or something in there.
Which can attack you?
Don't go in there.
There could be a dolphin. Nothing in the
Go
sea
get some
cannot.
kelp. Get some kelp.
What's kelp?
You can eat it.
I don't want to.
Jump.
No. Why?
At least you need to get up before you bubble.
I'm gonna
run
go
out.
over there.
Before you die. You're gonna die probably. Then
Well,
we
yeah,
don't-
guys. I'm only saying this because we can edit. But
Daniel,
there's only 1 more minute.
Daniel, you
pretty
only
much.
have 1 more minute, please.
Michael,
up.
I can do what I want.
Oh, if you die, you're gonna lose all our stuff.
Not. Is that kelp?
Yep.
Hey. No. Dude, I think I got hot by something.
My turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just gotta get over it.
No.
Wait, there's a secret underwater.
Daniel.
Go.
There's a secret on the water thing, Daniel said. Ooh, that looks like a sea symbol. No.
Go, run. Okay, now it's Blue's this time, yeah.
Blue's I said
Guys, we're on
Iceland. Think so? Daniel,
Eat it,
no
eat
one
it.
will watch us.
Michael, how do you?
Because we're on private YouTube.
We'll ask.
You should have used Daniel. We're on private. So, you should use your axe for this.
No, I'm
he's
not
gonna
wasting
waste it. Yeah.
Just to waste it on something else. Ooh,
He's not gonna waste it at all. At night, you should hide in the tree. What are you doing? What's that? What can it do?
It can make stuff.
we can make. Ooh, jungle box.
You can make a crafting table.
Ooh,
now.
no, just make
Crafting table.
Yeah,
You should make like a house.
yeah, you could.
Well, what I'm gonna do is
Says you can make so much with crafting table.
Everyone knows. Are you gonna make a bow?
no, I don't have. I need cobweb. That's why I'm gonna like be in the
Oh, a
night.
sign. Ooh, wooden pickaxe. That's kind of useless.
No.
No,
Well-
because I can get stone.
Oh yeah,
Why are you working it?
because get the chest back.
I'm bringing it. I'm going.
Underground.
Yeah, I'm going underground.
That's why you needed the wooden pickaxe.
Mhm.
You're gonna make an underground thing.
You gonna get diamonds.
Yeah, I would have to go really deep for that, and plus I don't have an iron pick.
Or you can make. Yeah, I think this is deep enough. Oh, you need pumpkins. Will they grow up?
Ow.
You need torches.
Do you have sticks? Yeah. You need coal.
You need coal to make a.
Why do you
Torch.
keep on doing that, Lewis?
I need to make a way to see you. Let's- boom. Perfect.
It's not gonna hold for long.
Ow.
Don't go 50 blocks down. You know, something might spawn in there.
You need a torch.
Oh, you can make a stone thing with that.
This is weird.
Lewis, you can
This
make
is this is the noise maker. Do you see how loud it is?
Lewis, you could get a sword with that. You can get a sword with all this cobblestone, you know that?
No, I don't use swords in Minecraft.
Why? They're just to defend yourself. It's
I just
really
use axes.
That's gonna be a waste.
No, I don't like using swords. I like using axes.
I like using pickaxes.
Okay. Where'd you get the sticks?
On the tree.
Yeah, the tree.
You can't. Aren't you picking up the stone? Oh, you already got it. Why is there an empty space?
You need
More sticks. You can make another one.
Won't be needing wood anytime soon. I actually think I'll live underground.
yeah, but what if something spawns down?
I'm gonna get coal and stuff.
And make a torch.
What are you making? Ooh.
Oh. Oh.
Pickaxe. Yeah, it's pretty good. You need
Yeah, you need a
coal.
torch.
No, you need coal to get a torch.
How are you gonna run in the coal?
Thought you said